Okay, I love this look, but I need to take it off. Oh, okay. Let's start by taking these things off. This is not a good way to do this. Owie. Trying to not stab myself in the eye with my nail. Ow. Oh, nice. The lash comes off too. And I'm gonna do a makeup print. I can't breathe. Ooh. Stop, it's actually kind of cute. There's a patch missing in the lipstick. Okay, I'm gonna go wash my face. Well, hey, what's up, you guys? Guess what time it is? It is time to take this off again. This was my Queen of Hearts makeup look, and honestly, it turned out pretty well. I'm happy with it. I had to peel off the hearts so many times here on my face that the paint started coming off, so it's time. I went on a kick watching scary movies today, and now it's dark and I'm scared to be in my house. Especially walking around with those contacts on, I couldn't see anything, and it was extra scary because it was dark and I was blind. The lashes keep getting stuck to the heart as well, so, oh, owie, owie, owie. There's so many lashes on my face. Ah, that made my eye water. Woo. Now for the fun part. I don't know where to start. Ooh, no, here, yes. That was my hair. Ah, it ripped. I really wanted it to get off in one piece, but it did not. Does anyone remember the nightmare fuel? How about now? And I'm gonna go shower. Well, hey, what's up, you guys? It's time to take this makeup off again. And since I'm wearing no prosthetics, it means that I have to do a makeup print. And all I really need to prep is to put my hair back and take my lashes off. If you don't know what makeup prints are, it's basically rubbing a makeup wipe on your face until it creates a print. And I'm opening a brand new pack of makeup wipes for this, so enjoy it. And this is the only ASMR you're gonna get for this video. Okay, that's enough. I can tell you missed my voice. These makeup wipes are really tiny, so I have to stretch them out to fit my face. And then you guessed it, I put it on my face and vigorously rub it in. Keep in mind while doing this, I can't see and I also can't breathe. So I'm really going off of my one sense that is left, which is touch. I think the hardest part here is to getting rid of all the wrinkles while also trying to get all of the uneven surfaces like eyes, nose, and mouth. The makeup wipe started falling off, so I had to listen. Removing it from my face, I was pretty satisfied. I think it captured a good amount of the things that were on my face. At this point, I was happy and tired, so I put the makeup wipe on the side to dry, and then I went shower. See you guys tomorrow. Hey, what's up, you little freaks? How's it going? Yes, it is time to take this off again. If you couldn't tell, this was Scorpio for the zodiac, so yes. I'm gonna start by taking my lashes off because I cannot see. Now for the fun stuff. Boom. I just love having insects on my face, don't you? Are scorpions even insects? Oh, I don't know. And the moment we've all been waiting for. Nice. I feel like this is scary enough. I'm gonna go wash it off. Ah, my skin can breathe. Contacts are off and that is it. Hey, what's up, you little freaks? Y'all already know what time it is. It's time to take this off again. Snatch that weave, baby. Ow, my earring fell off. I'm gonna go take my contacts off because I can't see. I can see now. Although this makeup is painted on except for the horn, so let's do that. So easy. Bye-bye. Oh, and I almost forgot the teeth. That's nice. Nice. Let's take my eyelashes off too. Wow. I swear to God, I don't look the same with no eyelashes on. Who is this? I'm just playing. I know I still look good. I'm gonna go wash all this off. I'll be right back. Ah, much better. If you didn't know, this makeup is a part of my 7-part series for the 7 Deadly Sins. Yeah. The full tutorial will be in the link in my profile in case you guys want to know what products I used. Have a great day, y'all. Well, hey, what's up, you little streaks? See what I did there? Cause it sounds similar to freaks, but it's straight. Never mind. But you already know it. It is time to take this off again. Whenever I make signs like these, I always have to write it backwards because TikTok mirrors everything. And writing backwards isn't easy. But now that that's done, let's just, continue taking things off. All right, time for you to go leave my face. Now this one. I really like the third eye, but I need to take it off too. It's literally almost identical to my actual eye color. It's so weird. I'm not even gonna try to take this off. I'm just gonna go shower and I'll be right back. I have showered and I am now clean, and you guys have an amazing day. Hey, what's up, you little freaks? Guess what time it is? Oh yes, it is time to take this off again. I'm honestly surprised I can still talk. I should probably talk a little quieter, huh? My constant desire to scream is preventing me from posting good ASMR. Anyways, let's take her off. Only one way to go. Oh my god. I ruined my lashes for this. It was all worth it though. Gotta take the rest of this off and it better not stain my face. I took a shower and my skin isn't stained. I am cold though. If you're curious about what products I use, go ahead and check out my YouTube channel. Have an amazing day, you guys. Well, hey, what's up, you little freaks? How's it going? You already know that it is time. It's time to take this off again. I attempted to put my hair out of my face, but I can't see, so I hope I don't look crazy. Of course I look crazy. Never mind. Let's just take this off. Oh yes. Is my eyebrow still there? I can't see. I hope it's still there. Time for this eye. Ding, ding, ding. Now I just gotta take the rest of this off. Now that I think about it, I probably should have taken my contacts out first. And once again, the removal process is scarier than the original look. Oh god. Okay, I forgot to film that last part, but it's like 3 days later now and my face is clean. Hey, what's up, you little freaks? Guess what time it is? Oh yes, it is time to take this off again. Let's start with the hook. Well, that was easy. Psych, there's way more than that. That was nice. I literally glued these things on with tape. Yeah. I literally drew them on blue paper as well. Snatch the weave. I am in love with these lashes, but they gotta go. Boop. Take the contacts out too. And now I'm gonna go wash my face. And that is all. Have an amazing day, you guys. Oh, well, hey, what's up, you little freaks? Guess what time it is? Oh, yes, it is time to take this off again. This is the last look I'm doing for the emoji series. Yeah. This eyelash is already kind of fallen off, so I'm just gonna take that off. And I can't just have one eyelash on, so I'll just take the other one off too. Now the hearts. Bloody. Okay, wait. Ah, nice. Let's do this one here. And now this big boy. I made this one too big, so it started folding. But it's gotta go. Contacts are out. I'm pretty much clean. My neck is slightly stained, but it's fine. And y'all have an amazing day today.
Please make sure y'all are doing your work. Yeah, because I was hungry and I was like, who the f ate my pizza? And my sister goes, not me, while she was holding the freaking pizza. Good job. Ava, why are you writing random words and why is there flowers and doodles all over your paper? This is not art class. I don't know, I'm just thinking. Thinking? I've been watching it for the past 40 minutes doing nothing. And you, Olivia, you didn't think I noticed? Notice what? I walked past you 6 times and you're pretending you're doing your work and you're not. I am doing my work. Okay, where is it? Right here. This is lesson 1, we're in 7. Where's your notebook? Oh my god, here, I'm actually working. Where's the work? It's blank. I don't see anything written. You see that on the board? Solve that for me right now. What is it? Nope, focus. There. What is that? Are you serious? What have you been doing this whole time? Have y'all been paying attention? Because we just went over this. Y'all are not leaving until this is done. How about that?
Oh, well, hey, what's up, you little freaks? You already know what time it is. It is time to take this off again. I'm pretty happy with this look, and I'm a little bit sad to be taking it off, but I'm tired and it needs to be done, so let's do it. I had to rip this thing off like 5 times for the video already, but I'll do it again, just for you. Ah, Because I had to rip it off like a lot of times, there's still like latex on my face. And blood in my teeth. But I'm gonna rip off the smile first. Ow. Ah. The reason I'm using tweezers is to not get my hands dirty. Ah. Now I'm gonna see if I can rip these parts off. Ooh. Never mind, it's not worth it. I'm just gonna go wash my face. And once again, I am not terrifying. Beautiful. Thank you. Okay, I took most of it off. Don't worry, I'm gonna get the ear in the shower. I won't forget it this time. But you guys have an amazing day. Hey, what's up, you little freaks? How's it going? It is time to take this off again. Contacts are off and I can see. Time for the good stuff. Okay. Ooh. I wanted to take it off all in one piece, but I don't think that's gonna happen. I mean, kinda. This was my second attempt at doing the lust look because the first time I did it, I did not like it. I am pretty happy with this one though. I need to go wash my face. I'll be right back. So much better. The full tutorial for that look, as well as the products I used, will be in the link in my profile. And as always, have an amazing day, you guys. Hey, what's up, you little freaks? Guess what time it is? Oh yes, it is time to take this off again. Let's start with the hook. Well, that was easy. Psych, there's way more than that. That was nice. I literally glued these things on with tape. Yeah. I literally drew them on blue paper as well. Snatch the weave. I am in love with these lashes, but they gotta go. Boop. Take the contacts out too. And now I'm gonna go wash my face. And that is all. Have an amazing day, you guys. The glitter that is on me will never leave me for the rest of my life, but I will attempt to take it off in a shower. Brothers, guess what time it is? It is time to take this off again. Did you miss it? Did you miss it? This thing is glued to my neck and it hurts every time I move, so I just wanna... Owie. I forgot how painful removing latex is. Maybe I'll just stay like this for the rest of my life. Okay, no, I gotta... No. I procrastinated long enough. No, I can't do it. Okay, 1, 2, 3. No, it's not coming off. Okay, wait. 1, 2, 3. Help. How hard did I glue this on? Okay, I got a better grip now. 1, 2, 3. I'm gonna rip my face off at this rate. Maybe I should start from the top. Okay, the ears should be easy. 1, 2, 3. Ooh. Okay, going fast didn't work. I'm gonna go slow. Maybe give you some ASMR here. Okay, slow. It hurts so bad. 1, 2, 3. I got this. Help. Ooh. So close. Is it in my hair? It's in my hair. What's on my face? What is that? How long did I have a filter on? I didn't realize that was happening. This is cute though. And of course, I can't leave you without the nightmare fuel. I'm inhaling this water. Stop. I don't know how this step always ends up looking scarier than the original makeup. But I might need to go shower. I'll check back in. All clean now. I'm going to sleep. Bye. Well, hey, what's up, you little freaks? Guess what time it is? Well, yes, of course, it's time to take this off again. This little beauty's been falling off since I put it on, pretty much. This should be easy. There's still latex on my neck, of course. Yeah! This side, however, is on there pretty good. Let's just start from the top and maybe make it drop. Just kidding, that's for later. The reason I'm talking so much is because I don't want to take this off, because it's gonna be painful. Okay, just one quick motion. Yeah, it just rips the paper. We're like halfway done. I surprise myself sometimes. Okay, one last one. Why do I do this to myself? I don't know. I hope your pain is amusing. I did not say that right. I hope my pain is amusing to you. There we go, Valeria. Second time is the charm. That's also not the saying. Our favorite nightmare fuel. And I'm all clean now.
Hey, what's up, you guys? You know what time it is? It is time to take this off again.
You stole my thunder! In the face,
my bangs are covered in gloss, and I really don't like that, and I want to take this off.
Here, there you go.
No, not to put in the rest of the hair.
Lead the way, Anastasia. What do we do
So
first?
first we're taking out the teeth, of course.
Like, one by one?
Or should we, like, do the...
I was thinking
Let's do the thing, yeah. 3, 2, 1, go! Ah, okay, no, I can't go. I can't go. I can't go.
This looks scarier, almost.
Ah.
You're doing so good.
Why does it hurt so much? I'm drooling.
1, 2, 3.
No! I have so much hair on my face!
It's like free waxing, babes. You gotta do it fast, 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 fast,
No,
fast.
I can't do it.
1, 2, 3. Oh, no,
Oh,
never mind.
I got it.
No, the other part.
The other part. The other woman!
Owie.
I'm
One
crying.
more part left, like just the eyebrow. 1, 2, 3.
Okay, the eyebrow is not that bad.
And if you guys don't know my channel, we like to do nightmare fuel.
I did not know. Can you stop? Can you stop? I can't breathe your water boarding me.
See you next time.